Hello, my name is Luna and my sister's name is Tay Tay. Today we're gonna be making slime. And let's get started. So I'm gonna make a red theme slime. Let's put that.
And I'm gonna be making
Look guys.
dark slime, but it's so hard to go down.
There we go. Tay Tay.
There we go.
Guys, I'm gonna put a little back to it. Look at this. It's too much activator. Tay Tay, come on. It does not have to be that much.
I know, but there we go. Oh no, it's going over the place. Oh, look at this. It's going all over the place. I'm gonna clean that after the video. This is I love this activator because because it has little how do we call it?
Confetti?
Yeah, it has little confetti in it. Look at it.
Look, it's just getting destroyed. My slime.
No.
Squish it.
Oh.
Tay Tay.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to put some more glue.
It does not look good. Look at it.
Oh my god.
Look guys. I mean, mine is working out, but it's not as stretchy as I thought. There we go. It's a bit more stretchy, guys. Tay Tay. That's done.
There we go.
Now, just flip it around. Look, guys.
This
Do you like it?
Work out how I wanted it to work out.
Ready?
Look at
It's time to reveal. It's not that stretchy as the previous one from the other video, but it is good.
Mine is not.
It is stretchy at all, but I'm gonna put some of these diamonds. Let's take this off.
Yeah.
It does look good. I mean, put it as
Look at.
Look, guys, you can't really notice.
Look at that, guys. This is not my best slime ever. I don't like it.
Okay. I don't think it's gonna turn out good for this video.
What?
Your slime.
Well, sometimes you just need mixing.
Mix it.
But it feels like so bad. It feels like it has feathers of a chicken.
So funny. Mine feels like if it has
Little pom-poms.
no, like dirt. Or these feel like actually like kind of like a hoof of a horse.
Mine actually feels like a
Ready?
Mine actually feels like a fish has.
Woof. Yeah.
Mine actually feels like a fish has some like poop in it.
Okay.
That's. Oh yeah.
Finally, it turned out.
Yeah, but it's still not
Good?
pretty.
It is good.
Yeah, but it does not look that pretty. How you're gonna see that it's gonna be? Ew.
If you saw that previous video, you will see how she failed. So make sure to go and look at that video.
Excuse me.
Yes. Look, guys.
Wow.
Okay, so we are done over
No,
here.
I'm not. I'm just.
Excuse me.
I'm not
Yeah.
done, but I'm already almost done. Okay, look at this. This is not like how I expected. Look at it. Do you like it? Comment down below if you like it.
So we are done. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, thank
Make
you
sure
for
to like and
watching.
subscribe and comment down
Down
below
below
if
if
you liked it. Bye, guys.
Yeah, bye.